Hello friends, myself Tushar Madhukar and my today's topic is abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding and implementation details of showing only functionality to the user. In other way, it is show only initial things to users, hide the internal hide the internal hide the internal uh, things to the user of hides to the internal details. For example, sending SMS where you the text of send of message. You want to know internal processing about the managed delivery about the managed delivery uh, about to the manager of delivery. Uh, Abstraction leads to focus on what's the object does not initiated how it does how it does then uh, how it does uh, way to achieve abstraction. There are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. First one abstract keyword and second one interface. uh, abstract class which is declare abstract is known as abstract class. uh, it has abstract and non-abstract methods. It needs to extend the method implements. It cannot be initialized. Points to be remembered. Abstract class must be declared within an abstract keyword. It can be abstract and non-abstract method. It cannot be insulated. It cannot be constructed or static methods. Also, we have methods uh, uh, which will force abstract or not. Change of the body of method. Introduction to abstract in Java. Definition and abstraction. Abstraction is a core concept of object-oriented programming that involves complex system of modeling classes based on their initialization properties and behavior. In Java, abstraction in implementation through the abstract class and interface, allowing developers to create a blueprint of for objects without the specifying their concrete details. Second one, importance of abstract in programming. Abstract plays a crucial role of managing complexity of a software system. It enables developers which is focused on initial features and functionality while hiding unnecessary details for leading a more maintainable, scalable, and modular code. Object uh, Object-oriented programming language, OOPS palindrome. Um, Java follows the principle of OOPS, which include encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Abstraction in a concept of OOPS allows developers to create a module that represent real world entity functionality, the design of implementation of software solutions. Abstract class in Java. Overview of abstract class. Abstract class is a class provide a way of declaration common characteristic and behavior of a group related classes without specifying the complete implementation to implementation to serve a blueprint of concurrent classes and may contain both abstract and concurrent method. Declaring abstract class in Java. An abstract class is declared using an abstract keyword. This selection discuss the syntax of declaring abstract classes and providing examples of insulated their page uses. Abstract class versus concrete class. Uh, a comparison between abstract class and concrete class, highlighting the difference of their structure. initialization and uses create the classes provide complex complete implementation, while abstract classes may have incomplete implementation with abstract method. Second one, uh, abstract class and constructor and methods, exploring exploration on a role constructor in abstract classes, and how abstract method contribute the flexibility and its extendability of a classes hierarchical hierarchies. Abstract class inheritance, discussing how abstract classes support inheritance and how subclasses extend the complete of implementation of abstract methods. Example, best practice using designing uh, hierarchy using abstract class, abstract methods, defining and purposes, uh, uh, and in deep exploration of abstract method, which are known as implementation. In a abstract class must be implemented by concrete classes, understanding understanding the purpose of achieving abstraction and flexibility. Syntax and abstract method, uh, examining the syntax of uh, declaring abstract method, including access modifier, return type and method signatures, highlighting the uses of abstract keywords in method declaration. Implementing abstract method, uh, explaining the concurrent subclasses provides implementation for abstract method, ensuring the functionality specified in the abstract classes and realize the derived class. Abstract method and abstract class, discussing scenarios where abstract class may contain mix of abstract and concrete methods, providing a balance between shared behavior and specific implementation. Uh, Interface in Java, introduction to interface is another form of abstraction in Java, following a declaration of method signature without providing any implementation details. Interface supports multiple interface and plays a crucial role in achieving code modularly. Declaring interface, uh, examining the syntax of declaring interface, including a uses of interface keyword, methods declaration and contents, discussing interface, which is achieving loosest coupling in software design. Interface method, exploring the characteristics of an interface method, including default method, static method and absence of interface variables. Understanding how interface contributes the creation of concurrent between classes. Implementing interface, discussing how classes implements interface by providing concurrent implementation for all declaration methods, highlighting highlighting the use of implementation keyword and showcasing uh, example of interface implementation implementation multiple interface through interface, uh, examining how Java supports multiple inheritance through the interface, allowing a class implement multiple interface, discussing the benefits of challenge and associate with the multiple inheritance in Java. Abstract class versus interface, key interface, a compositive corporations comparison between abstract class and interface, showing the accept such as contributes, access modifier, instance variable and number of inheritance. Choosing between abstract class and interface, guideline to choosing between abstract class and interface based on specific requirement of software designing. uh, consideration of achieving a right balance between abstraction and flexibility. So there are the uses uses and interface abstraction. Yeah, this is the thank you so much.